roasting the chicken leg, chicken thighs. I got curry leaf, habanero pepper, ginger and garlic grinded for marination. Two tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 to 3 tablespoons. I got sazon, adobo, black pepper, red chili powder, turmeric powder. Everything is like a teaspoon. I'm going to mix it. I'm using my finger to mix everything. Yes. Chicken legs are washed, slit for good marination. Into the marination mix. Marination mix. Look at this. I'll slit it. Slit. Final mix. Leave it for 24 hours, at least 5 hours before grilling. And make sandwich habanero grilled chicken, grilled thigh chicken, thigh and leg together. Transfer into the bowl so it can go to the fridge. Time to turn it around. Turn it around on another side. Go to Stanley's Kitchen on YouTube how to make Stanley's grilled tandoori chicken. Look at this, juicy and smells so good. Juicy. Put potato fries. Look at that. Bang.